Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible, and this car has 3,000 actual miles on it. 3,000 actual miles. Let me repeat that because you didn't hear me the first time. 3,000 actual miles on this car right here. It's been very well taken care of, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible right now. Like I said, this car is finished in a beautiful red with the white stripes. Very, very nice and clean. Been very well taken care of. Really looks good. It's got that sharp eye appeal to it. Very, very nice interior as well. Looks great. We'll open the door here. Take a look at that interior right there. Absolutely gorgeous. No cracking in the dash. All the console looks good. It's got the radio factory. Everything on this car is stock and just really looks good. Very, very nice and clean. The doors all look good. So, take you on around the back here. And I'll show you the trunk. The trunk on this car does have a power trunk lift. You hit the button under the dash there and it will lift up. So, but all the trunk, it's got nice space inside the trunk. It's really, really nice and clean. It looks good. I'm going to shut the trunk here. We're going to start it up. See how it sounds. Got a little bit of a rumble to it. Sounds good. Put my microphone back on. Cut it off there. Driver's side really looks good. It's got a nice interior, really is nice. Let me show you the mileage on it here. See if I can get it to come on. There she goes. Zoom in on that there. 3,000 original miles, which is just very rare, hard to find. Very, very nice. Shut the door here. And underneath the hood here, it is powered by the 6-cylinder for this year model. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning on this car right here. Factory air on the car. It really looks good underneath the hood. This is a great car if you want to get some good gas mileage and go anywhere you want to go. This car will take you and get you there, and you'll look good while you're doing it with the top down. So, just a very, very nice car. So, shut the hood here and take one more quick look at the 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Well, we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible with 3,000 actual miles for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take this one out and see how it does.
Nice dash.
Yeah, the dash isn't cracked or anything. It's been very well taken care of and really looks good. We're going to go for a drive and see how it does.
What a great car to put your golf clubs in the
Yeah.
back. Go
for a ride.
Have a great time. Have a great car. Go out to eat. Go to the car show.
It can do it all.
Great first car too.
Yeah, make a great first car for a kid. Be sharp, but you can put the top down and go for a cruise. That's what we're going to do today right now. Let's see how it does.
Smooth silver. Ice cold air.
Yeah.
V6 is one of the best motors Chevrolet ever put out.
Really was. It'll run forever. The car really runs and drives great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent run and driving car. Doesn't pull to the left or the right. Basically drives itself. But we're almost back here. And like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. we'll see what this 6-cylinder is made of. All right, here we go. Car really just runs and drives great. Does have a power top on it as well. It works great. We're almost back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. And like I said, any questions, just give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this will actually conclude the test drive, and then we're going to conclude it right here, and that'll be done. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.